It's the 6th of December 2019 and it's Butterfly Lullaby here. And I just want to sort of find out if people would like to follow art videos with my daughter, Melody Angel Art. If so, please leave a comment below. You know, this is for parents if they'd like their children to follow the videos, or if you're older than 18, if you'd like to follow the videos. Love to hear from you and read your comments, because I'm currently trying to talk my daughter into creating the YouTube art videos. She used to do them years ago, but the thing is that she likes to take her time on things, and what I would like to do is add the videos she's creating with the Angel Art group, which she does weekly with children. Just add the videos that she's created of how to draw certain things, etc. Put them up on YouTube for people to see. But because she says, oh, you know, I'm doing that quickly and I'm not taking my time, and she's a bit of a perfectionist, she doesn't really want to show them. But I mean, what do you think of this drawing? This is a drawing she did to show the children how to draw a teddy bunny rabbit and a teddy bear. And I think it's absolutely fabulous. I wish that I could draw like that. So I'd love to hear from you guys. So yeah, please leave me a comment. You know, give a thumbs up if you'd like to follow Melody's art channel. You know, get her to do an art channel, etc. I'd love to hear from you, and take care. And do share, you know, your art with us. Love to see it. Bye bye. Hi guys, it's Sharon Bainbridge here from Butterfly Lullaby, and today I'm just going to show you the room where my daughter teaches art. We can currently seat 12 students, and this is where my daughter shows the children how to draw on the screen. As you can see, there's still a lovely self-portrait of herself in digital style. So yeah, we're based in Swansea, Wales. So if you'd like to come along, I'll leave the details for parents to get in contact. And speak to you soon. Bye-bye. I'll put a link in the description for my blog for parents to check out and guardians to check out some more information and background on Melody. So it's the Angel Art Group, Artist Therapy, and that's Melody's Angel Art logo. There is a Facebook group, on a private one to protect kids on Facebook, called the Angel Art Group for members of the group to go on and share their art, you know, parents to share their art, the children's art, so we can see, you know, their lovely drawings. And I like to sort of upload some of their drawings, and so the parents can see them and family can see all their lovely drawings if I get time at the end of the lesson. So I'm just going to tell you a bit about the group. So we're very lucky that the council, local council, Councillor Kevin Griffiths and Jason from the Elm Church helped fund this group. So the art materials are free, the room is free. So the £2 per child just goes towards Melody's art education. She's currently studying with Cambridge University online, and she just wants to have some money there to buy art materials and to hopefully make some wonderful, you know, art videos which are child and family friendly on YouTube. So the venue is Elm Church, El Diago Road, Ponte di Life, Swansea, UK. And it's on a Monday at 4 p.m. for 1 hour lesson. Cost £2 per child, and limited spaces, 12 students only. So, you know, parents and guardians do need to contact me and let me know if you want to book in. And, you know, we really hope that, you know, we've got some child artists there that really want to go and go weekly because of the limited spaces. And, you know, you can contact me to book that on Facebook under Sharon J. Bainbridge, and send me a private message to book a child in, and then I can sort of send you a link for the art group on Facebook, the private art group. So I'm just going to scroll through. This is the drawing that Melody finished, the self-portrait, which is beautiful. We were lucky enough to have Tom Seidman, the film director of The Christmas Bunny, supporting her singing. So we're very, very fortunate there. And she's done a portrait of the main character, which I mentioned in another video, which is on here. Cindy Woo's her sidekick. There's Melody as a child. She used to do YouTube videos from the age of 7, art YouTube videos, which are fun for kids to watch. She's got Cindy Woo there as a sidekick, as I mentioned before, and she was known as Little Snowflake or Snowdrop on YouTube, and she wore a mask and a different name to protect her identity. And she just, you know, she loves collecting Lego and Charlie Bears, etc. So it's all child and family friendly. And here's an old video of Melody as Little Snowflake drawing her pet rabbit, a Cindy Woo, as a blue-nosed toy. And this Christmas, we hope to, well, Melody hopes to, you know, help children draw their family portraits as a Christmas gift for their family, which I think is going to be absolutely wonderful. I mean, I love, as a mum, my gosh, I'm so fortunate, you know, she draws these wonderful pictures for us of her family, and it's something we love to put up in the house, and we absolutely treasure them. You know, it's so nice when your child draws your family, and, you know, there's so much love there that goes into it. So here's me on the left with my glasses and hat and many rabbits. There's only 2 of them there. That's a long story, another story. And there's a dad, and there's Melody in the middle. And that's a watercolour painting she did. And this is a digital art she did of her and her dad a few years ago. As you can see, Melody's got her teeth there, well, 1 tooth there, so she's a lot younger, and it's a Father's Day card she did, Best Father, which is absolutely gorgeous. And then she did a Mother's Day picture for me. You know, I can't express it. I mean, you know, when you get these pictures, you start crying, tearing up, because they're so lovely. So yes, I'm sure that parents are going to absolutely love it. And who knows, they might even make an animation one day, like Melody's made for me for Mother's Day, which I absolutely adored. But here's another one she did of us as a family. And this one here, one of her YouTube followers created, this is the painting she did, digital art she did for my birthday, which is up on the wall, of course. And one of her fans created the picture in their style, which is wonderful. I mean, that's going around on YouTube, you know, draw this in your style. It's very, very popular. And it's great to see artists having fun and sharing videos and art together. You know, it's quite a fun place to be. And there's Melody's little animation she did for me for Mother's Day, which I absolutely love and treasure. I'm very, very fortunate indeed. So yeah, I'm going to go on to the other videos to show you a bit more background. So keep watching. This is my daughter's Instagram account under Melody Angel Art, and it's a child and family friendly account. And she says here, Melody, hi, my name is Melody. I love to draw digital art as well as watercolour. Every like and follow appreciated. And then she's got a YouTube channel, but she doesn't do much with this YouTube channel at the moment, but she hopes to change that later on. She's busy studying with Cambridge University online for her art course, and with Google Classroom for her English, etc. So she's pretty busy with stuff. So, but it will come eventually. So here's her channel, which is child and family friendly. The middle portrait is a drawing she did of herself, which is a sketch in pencil, I believe. And also on the right, you've got Audrey Hepburn. I can't think on the left, that's a character from a TV programme. Then we've got her angel logo for our art group. We don't really do Halloween stuff, and we don't promote Halloween stuff in the art group. So she doesn't do any sort of witches or anything like that in there. But she does do a few little fun things on her Instagram account, but nothing, you know, horrifying. So what else have we got? Got some more drawings here. Yeah, so you can check that out. You know, she loves connecting with her artists, and she watches a lot of YouTube channels from artists, and she's learned a lot from YouTube artists as well. So, you know, I mean, we enjoy YouTube because we just pick out the good stuff and just watch the good stuff, which is very educational. And yeah, and lots of wonderful, wonderful artists out there on YouTube, which is fantastic. So that's that. And then I'm going to go on to another video, which is next, showing, because in the beginning of this video, I showed a portrait, a self-portrait Melody was creating in the beginning of the video. And I'm going to show you the finished product, which is really lovely, of her and a bunny rabbit, and a little bit of background of how she used to do wonderful art videos as a child on YouTube. She started at 7 years old, and there's lots of fun art videos on Butterfly Lullaby of her drawing with her pet sidekick rabbit, Cindy Woo. So that's all from me. You know, parents, please do get in touch with us if you'd love to book your child in for an art lesson. You know, it's child and family friendly. It's in the church. You don't have to be religious to come along. And there's CCTV cameras, so you don't have to worry, you know. But please, if you're going to drop your child off, please do pick them up. And yeah, and my Facebook account would be in the link for you to contact me. Send me a private message. So we'd love to hear from you, and we'd love to, you know, showcase your child's art. And you know, if you want us to put it up on our Angel Art Group on Facebook, you know, we'd love to show their art there and you know, promote what they're good at. Okay, so that's all from me. Hope to speak to you soon. Take care. Hi guys, it's Sharon J. Bainbridge here from Butterfly Lullaby, and the date is the 21st of November 2019. And here's a fantastic drawing my daughter created, self-portrait of herself with Cindy Woo, her old pet rabbit. Now the interesting thing about this picture is that Melody used to create wonderful child and family friendly videos for children when she was younger, starting at 7 years old. And Cindy Woo, her pet rabbit, was her sidekick. So here she is in a little Cindy Woo mask and slippers that she made herself. And you can check out her videos. It's under Little Snowflake or Snowdrop on the Butterfly Lullaby YouTube channel. So Tom Seidman, the film director of The Christmas Bunny, it's one of her favourite films, and we got in contact with him years ago asking if Melody could create some drawings for him, and he was very, very kind and supportive, and he really loves her singing, so he sent her a link to Britain's Got Talent, and he just said, you know, keep on singing, Melody, and we send him her new songs all the time. And he really supports her, which is lovely. We're so lucky to have his kind support. So here's some pictures that she did. So this picture here is of her most recent picture of the Christmas Bunny character, the main character in the film with the rabbit, which is absolutely lovely. And, you know, if we go on, there's some images here of Melody's drawings of how she started the drawing of herself, her self-portrait, going through the stages. Melody also, so she's on Instagram, and she has, well, it's under Melody Angel Art, and she also has an art group called the Angel Art Group, where she teaches children from 8 to 13 in the Swansea area in Wales. So yeah, that's all from us, and we'd love to hear from artists. Please leave comments below, Love to chat with you and see your art. So speak to you soon. Okay, bye-bye.
Colder days I've seen, frozen petals from frozen fields, ice cold winter breeze filled my lungs, choke the heat. Someday, somewhere, somehow, painting 1,000 crowns. This is where I'll be, where the cold falls down on me. Bitter bleak skies I've seen, creeps near a silent creek. Cold, so cold.